Averna is your one-stop shop for better manufacturing. A solid test process is the key to achieving exceptional quality. Our 1,200 employees are ready to support your next application, from design and development to manufacturing and maintenance. This assures an optimal test and quality solution for your products moving forward. The range of our technical expertise is limitless, and our business is test. Want to automate your current processes to improve reliability and repeatability? We have hardware, software, and mechanical engineers standing by, each with their own specialties, including automation, machine vision, RF, robotics, and many more. Are you looking for faster and flawless defect inspection? Or automated precision assembly? How about an active alignment solution for camera assembly? Our optical engineers can consult directly from our vision labs. With Industry 4.0 upon us, we can help guide your transition into smart manufacturing with a custom solution or any of our off-the-shelf smart data management tools. We are always there to support you and your locations from any of our offices around the world, day or night. Use our 24/7 support portal to reach our team when you need them. Having successfully deployed thousands of projects across a wide variety of industries provides us with exposure to all current and future technologies required to improve and accelerate any manufacturing process, regardless of product or business objective. Contact Averna and let us simplify your next manufacturing challenge.